Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring you have admin rights. This is required to restore UAC behavior. Once confirmed, disable any third-party security tools that modify prompts because they can hide the Yes button. Next, open Control Panel and go to User Accounts, then choose Change User Account Control Settings. You'll start the change here. Make sure to keep an alternate admin available in case you need to re-enable protections later. Now you'll correct system settings that remove the Yes button. Open Registry Editor as admin and export a backup so you can undo changes. Navigate to hklm/software, /Microsoft /Windows, /current version /policies /system, and check consent prompt behavior admin and enable LUA. Set consent prompt behavior admin to 2, prompt for credentials, and enable LUA to finish by rebooting the system so UAC and policy changes take effect. Sign back in with your admin account and test an elevation prompt. If the Yes button is still missing, run sfc/scano then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. If problems persist, restore the registry backup you made or boot to safe mode to undo recent security software changes. One key tip: if group policy blocks changes, you must edit the policy on the Managing Domain controller or contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.